What do you think is your best investment till date? Gold, silver, property, or perhaps you may say that I am an equities person, so stocks are my best investment. Perhaps you will say mutual funds. Or maybe you're conservative and so you say that fixed deposits are my best investment. Though I doubt in today's day and age, a lot of people will talk about fixed deposits as a good investment. Hi, my name is Gavin and I bring you simple videos on self-development because I believe self-development is the greatest investment. Today I want to speak with you about your investments. You see, investing is an interesting and often emotional topic for a lot of people. Now, any competent financial advisor will tell you that your choice of investments should be as per your goals and your risk appetite. They may even tell you to diversify your investments so as to mitigate risks. What many may not tell you is that your best investment with high returns and moderate risks is the one in yourself. Yes, you heard me right. You are your biggest asset, not your house, not your jewelry, and not even your stocks. Your biggest asset is you. And so, whether you are a salaried employee, an entrepreneur, a house husband, or even a homemaker, you can immensely benefit by investing in yourself. Now, you may ask, how do I invest in myself? You can invest in a health class, in a skill-based training, or personal development training, or anything that helps you grow as an individual, both personally as well as professionally. Apart from self-growth, chances are that investing in yourself may actually help you increase your own income too. The other question that you may ask is, how much do I invest? Well, my suggestion is that you invest at least 10 days a year and 5% of your annual income to learn something new. If you do that consistently over a period of 10 years, you will see the benefit of compounding growth, and in 2030, you might just unleash a new you. The only catch is that you've got to apply what you learn. You see, knowledge isn't going to change your life. It's the application of that knowledge which will give you the benefits in your life. And so, if you haven't yet begun your journey on self-development, like any other investment, now is as good a time as any. It's my endeavor to make more and more people aware about self-development and the need to upskill themselves. If you identify with what I'm doing and you like my videos, go ahead and share them with your friends so that they too can begin this journey on self-development. And if it's not too much trouble, do hit the like button. Probably even subscribe to the channel if you would like to hear more from me. Thank you.